Hello!
Welcome back to our channel. I'm Nikki.
And I'm Rachel, and we're the Stitch Sisters.
Guess who's got the croaky voice now?
It's not always croaky. There you go. As you can see, sometimes it comes up perfectly fine. We just have to see what happens. But tomorrow is the socialite soiree, so we are keeping everything crossed.
Yes.
That with a bit of voice rest after we finish filming this, that I'll be ready to chat to everybody lots tomorrow.
And a few brandy toddies or something
of
like
course,
that.
yes. Medicinal, of course. Yes,
clearly.
just medicinal.
But we're here today with a video all about the Cozy Cardi Challenge. We have got round to doing our own cardi design.
Yes.
So these are the ones that we're wearing just now for you. And we've done a full blog post with instructions. And this is another one of our patternless makes.
Yeah.
So you can head over to the blog, which is www.thestitchsisters.co.uk, and there's full instructions as well as cutting and everything like that you need, and photographs all the way through with us doing a full tutorial.
Yes, we taught a class on it recently. We called it the long line cardigan because we've designed it to be a longer length. But the great thing about it is it's totally versatile. You could make the sleeves any length you want. You can make the cardi any length you want. You could go down a size, go up a couple of sizes, all to create different looks. And it's all just with rectangles. Yeah. So as long as you can cut a straight line, then there's no need for you to print off a pattern or stick any pages together or or order anything. You can just use some fabric in your stash, and it's a nice quick way for you to enter the Cozy Cardi Challenge.
Exactly. It was about 2 meters of fabric you need, is that right?
Yeah, 1.5 to 2 meters depending on the length that you want. So if you're happy to make a shorter one, you could just get it out of 1.5 meters. Like likewise, if you wanted like a full maxi one, you probably need about 2.5. But because knit fabrics are generally quite wide, then for most sizes you can get a cardi out of even the smallest length.
So the ones that we have made, we made with some lovely jersey from Girl Charlie. So thank you to you guys for sending this to us. This one that I'm wearing is one of their really lightweight look back French terries, and Rachel's got on more of a sort of a heavyweight. Is there?
It's one of their hatchy sweater knits.
Hatchy sweater knits, and so they've got a fantastic range of jerseys that can be used for any kind of cardigan.
This isn't heavyweight actually. They're both very, very lightweight cardis.
It just looks heavier. It looks as if it's more fuller.
Yeah, no, it's really very thin, and I think that because of the fabrics that we've chosen, we see it as kind of a really good layering piece. It's that sort of spring, summer, or kind of in the spring and autumn rather, when you want an extra layer and you want to keep your arms covered, but you don't necessarily need to be warm. No, you just want an extra layer to cover up, and I think they work really well for that. But then
I think it would work as well in a really heavier knit. So if you made it in a Ponte Roma or something like a proper sweater knit, it would be nice. But I went up a size, or not even up a size, I went up two sizes, yes, because I wanted mine a bit more oversized. I wanted it longer as well, so I added some length. So you can do that and you can be flexible with it. I don't feel as if it looks big on me. I think it sits really nicely, and because it's a lightweight jersey, it drapes really nicely.
Yes, I went down a couple of sizes actually, because I was looking for something that was just really slim fit, and I really like those American style dusters, they call them, where they open at the front. They don't actually close. I mean, I could make this close if I wanted it to, but I wanted it just to be open. I've actually got a little Ogden cami on underneath here, so I just wanted something that covers my shoulders, covers my arms, but actually you can still see the outfit underneath. Yes. And that's kind of how we designed the cardi. So it's just rectangles. You will cut one big rectangle for the back, 2 for the front, and then 2 for the sleeves, and then you'll cut 2 long strips for your bands, and you'll cut 2 shorter strips for your cuffs, and that is it. So even if you haven't got in your stash a piece of fabric big enough, think about all those scraps. You could really go to town with a patchwork cardi. We've even given you instructions for how to add pockets. Nikki's got pockets on her one. And again, that's something that you can just add with a couple of extra little squares of fabric. So it's really simple for all levels. It's definitely suited to beginners. If you can cut, like I say, a relatively straight line, and you can sew a straight line, then you're in. That's all you need.
Make yourself a cardigan. Make sure you tag us when you do your cozy cardis and post them on Instagram. So Amanda is Amanda underscore I sew a lot.
Yes.
Sorry, I don't know why that wasn't coming out. And then you can tag us as well at the Stitch Sisters UK, and you can also use the hashtag Stitch Sisters Carding, and then we'll be able to see them all and see how lovely they are. So have fun sewing, and we'll see you soon with our next video. Bye guys.
Bye.